little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw and color something super cool, the Samsung S25 Ultra smartphone. Are you excited? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers, and let's get started. First, let's start with a black marker. Draw a big rectangle. This will be the body of our phone. Now, let's make it look 3D. Add some extra lines on one side to give it depth. Next, let's draw a touch pen beside the phone. It's a long, thin rectangle with a little tip at the end. Let's move on to the cameras. On the top left corner of the phone, draw a few small rectangles. Inside each rectangle, draw a circle to make the camera lenses. Add more small circles and shapes around them for extra detail. At the bottom of the phone, let's write the word Samsung in bold letters. Great work so far! Nice job, everyone! Now, let's go over the entire drawing with our black marker to make it bold and sharp. This will make our artwork pop. Fantastic job, everyone! Yay! It's time to color our phone. Show your color pens and let's make it vibrant with rainbow colors. Blue color.
Wow!
Golden color. Red color. Purple color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color.
La da 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 dee.
Purple color. Your Samsung S25 Ultra looks amazing and colorful. Thanks for drawing and coloring with us at Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family and friends. See you next time for another fun art adventure.
Yay!
Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.